Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the guitar and reducing string tension so nothing slips. First, remove the strap and unplug the amp. Set the instrument on a padded table. Then, loosen tuners one by one, turn them a few quarter turns to reduce tension gradually. This prevents neck twist. If you have a tremolo system, block it with a folded cloth to stop springs pulling the bridge once strings go slack. Once done, you'll feel safe to handle bridge and string ends. Now focus on detaching strings from the bridge so you can clear the fretboard. You can either cut each string at the midpoint for quick removal or unwind at the tuner if you plan to reuse them. Choose the cleaner method for you. For fixed bridges, pull the ball ends out of the tailpiece or bridge holes. For through-body designs, thread them back through the bridge saddles. For tremolo systems, carefully unload strings at the saddles and make note of spring orientation and claw placement. Finish by cleaning the fretboard and preparing for new strings. You can apply a small amount of lemon oil or fretboard conditioner if appropriate. When installing new strings, feed them through the bridge, wind tuners in order, stretch gently, and tune to pitch in stages so the neck settles evenly. If tuning stays unstable after stretching, make sure nut slots are not binding, the bridge is seated, and spring claw tension on tremolo is balanced. Correcting these will cure most post-change problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.